We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a brand new 2023 73 plate Toyota Hilux. Customers just got it and they've gone for a ghost to Immobiliser. So if someone copied this key, done a relay attack, tried to start the vehicle up, so the foot's on the brake, as you can see, the vehicle's just not starting. So what the customers do when they get in the vehicle is keep their foot off the brake, double tap the start button to get their ignition on. Once all their lights are on, they'll wait for the Toyota logo to appear. Now pop their code in, 1, 2, 3, 4 we have for this video. The security light is going to give us 2 flashes and 2 bleeps. Now foot on the brake, start the car, and it runs. They're taking it for a service. What they'll do once the system's disarmed, they've proved it's them and the vehicle's started, they'll go to the traction control button, press it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. We're going to get 5 flashes, 5 bleeps. And now this is in service mode. So when it goes to Toyota, all you're going to do is hand them the key. Don't need to worry about giving them a code. The van's just going to start, so the truck's going to start as normal, as if nothing's fitted to it. If they take it on a long road test and exceed 30 miles an hour for 15 minutes or more, they get a double flash, it will jump out and the vehicle's protected again. Obviously, if that doesn't happen, vehicle's still in service mode. When you get it home, to turn the system back on, you'll do a double press to get the ignition on, wait for this Toyota logo, then pop the code in, 1, 2, 3, 4, like we have for now, receive a double flash, and that turns the system back on. So now if we turn it off, give it a second, then just try and start it as if we're a thief, you're going to see the car doesn't fire up. So once again, to start it, double press. Once all your lights are on, wait for the Toyota logo to clear. Put the code in, 1, 2, 3, 4, double bleep, double flash. Foot on the brake and start. Obviously the customer can set their own code on this system, and the way they'll do that is first they have to prove it's them. So like usual, double press, get the ignition on, wait for the logo to come up, put their code in, 1, 2, 3, 4, double bleep, double flash. Now foot to the floor on the accelerator, repeat our code again, 1, 2, 3, 4. Once it starts to bleep and flash, we can let go of the accelerator and teach it a new code. So we'll just set 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll get a triple flash. And again, we'll repeat the code, 1, 2, 3, 4. This time we'll get a double flash. We'll turn the vehicle off. That's our new code set. So now we'll double press, wait for the logo to clear. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double bleep, double flash, foot on the brake, start the vehicle up, and it runs. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This is a brand new 73 plate Toyota Hilux, secured with a ghost to Immobiliser by us at Immobiliser Fit. Once again, our number's 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.